Danielle really hates me for this, guys. Honestly,
Yes.
literally when she hates me for this. Tell him hello.
Say hello.
Say hello. Say booyaka, booyaka, off a shabba ranking. Okay, you not talkie?
No, milky.
You want milky? Oh, you're covering the camera now. You're breaking the camera. Wagwan people, you don't know your boy Chad. Daniel's not in this video, guys. It's all about Chad right now, as you can see right here. It's all about Chad and Chase. There's no Danielle here, guys.
Okay.
Danielle left us. Danielle went on the road and she forgot about us. If you see something in the background, that's not her.
No, who is it?
I don't know. You see that ring? It's not her. Okay.
See me here.
Oh, yeah, see you there. Hey. Really? That's how you come in? You just wave? Alright, guys.
Wave.
So we have to prepare. Danielle's family is coming into town.
Auntie Linda is here in the
Auntie
background.
Linda is here in the background. She's been helping us prepare for the cooking lately. She said we must cook some. Yeah, we're gonna cook some. We're gonna make a Christmas cake.
She's gonna give us her. Chase is trying to tell us. Auntie Linda is gonna give us her secret coconut rum recipe.
Yes.
So we're gonna make a coconut rum cake.
Not today though.
Not today.
We're just gonna buy the ingredients.
But we have to prepare because Christmas is what?
Around the corner.
Yes. So we're gonna make
Guys, I apologize to the camera. As you can see, Chase wants it.
He's gonna put it in his mouth.
What are you looking at? No. Okay, so we were trying to get back focus here. Okay, there we go. So we are gonna go get some stuff right now, guys, for the cake, and also we might be making some Christmas ham. We're gonna see. Stop hating, because I don't eat ham, okay? That's how I pronounce it. Ham is ham.
As you guys know, we've been trying to find the correct ham.
Yeah.
So we're still on the search.
Yeah, there's not a lot of people have the correct ham, you know?
They have the spiral ham. We don't want that one.
The spiral one is the spiral people.
Nobody listen to Chad.
Okay. So yeah, that's what we're going to do right now, guys. Yeah, you just come journey with us right now and see us prepare for Daniel's family to come in.
Also, let us know how you guys are preparing for Christmas.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Chase, you want to take them over there? You want to take them over there? Take them over there. Welcome to Universal Rides, where we take our kids very serious and we put them in a nice little take care thing. I don't even know what you call this. What do you call this?
Trolley cover. He's like looking around like, where to take me again?
Chasing him, trolley cover. Look at him. We're here at Walmart, guys, and you don't know.
I brought my list.
Daniel has a list, but we never go by the list. Just to let you know. It's true. It's true. Like, we look at these things and Daniel wants it. Watch.
And Chad is going to be like, put it back.
You're damn right. I'm going to tell you put it back. If it don't say $1, we don't have to get it.
I'm going to be very sad today.
This is the first time coming to a Walmart, Mrs. Sugar Cane. And me nah yam this. Look on that.
No, this don't.
That no good. That no good. That no look good. Look on these people. Auntie Linda, look at this. You want the sugar cane?
Okay.
Guys, another sugar cane for look.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah? You want Nana?
You want that one?
That one?
That's the dirty one.
Yeah, look at it. So guys, this is what you call a knockoff bun and cheese. A knockoff bun and cheese right here, guys. As you can see.
Put that back.
We're putting it right in there.
Oh,
You guys love those buns.
take it out.
Them said this is a knockoff the Blue Mountain coffee. That was a lie. This tastes bad. It's called Nor. I don't like it. You like it? No, it tastes bad. Until Linda hates it. Tastes bad. It tastes like doo doo. Yeah. Me not drink no more of this. This one come around the corner for that shit away. Anything gonna pick it up, make it less than $1 for me, please. Please, just $1. Less than $1. 99 cents and below would be nice. Would be nice. You hear me, Danny? 99 cents.
You can go and sit in the car.
So, them say 15 calories per serving. How do they know what cup size you use? What cup size you use to make it be 15 calories per serving of sugar? Some things just don't make sense, brother. I need somebody to comment down below. What do you think about that? How do they know that your cup is the same equivalent of being 15 calories into your cup per serving? That don't make no sense.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Out here looking for a baking tin. And Danielle burned up the last baking tin.
I did not burn up just the pot.
Yeah, you did.
No.
You burned up the whole thing.
No,
To explain to them what happened yesterday.
I left the pot and I forgot.
I almost burned down the house.
I did not.
Watch her from cooking now, you know, guys. We are forgetting the main ingredient.
What?
We need a bulla tin. We're making bulla too. Auntie Linda, we're making bulla.
I'm not making no bulla.
You're making bulla.
I'm making coconut.
Bulla. Not rum cake. Bulla. Scratch the rum cake and get bulla ASAP.
No bulla.
Chase wants bulla. Chase, you want bulla?
No, say no.
Chase
Daddy.
wants bulla.
No, daddy.
Guys, we just got back home, guys, and we're unraveling the groceries.
I am unraveling the groceries.
As you
Chaddy's
can see,
just there.
today is Friday, and I always got my beer on deck, because, you know, I'll be gaming later.
That's his favorite beer, and it tastes like doo-doo.
No, Daniel waited a whole year to drink this, guys.
When I was pregnant, Chad had this beer, guys, and he's like, oh my god, the best beer ever, but I was never able to taste it. And one day I took a sip after having Chase, and I was like, this is the worst tasting beer I have ever had, and I can't believe I waited 1 year to taste it.
Look, guys, let me tell you, say it was bad. It was bad for her.
He loves it.
Yeah, it's really good to me, guys, because it kills that bitter taste. It really actually does kill that bitter taste. Normally, beer kind of really bitter.
Don't
the
try
lime
that at home.
Kills the bitter. Daniel said don't try it. Go try it, guys, and tell me how it tastes.
Don't try
But
it.
remember, you have to be over the age of 21 in America to drink beer, you know? To
Oh my
drink
god,
responsibly
where's the
as
bag
well.
with the deodorant?
We gotta drink responsibly as well.
I have something to tell you that's really annoying.
What?
Tell them why you've been using my deodorant.
Guys, honestly, listen, when my deodorant done, and
He used
when
my
we go on the
deodorant.
road, I forget to get deodorant. So I mean, obviously, you know, your arm dry, so you're gonna put something underneath there
My
and keep it
deodorant?
moist, you know?
You're not supposed to share deodorant. You're gonna let it stop working.
And that's why.
And then the worst part is when he uses it, it's like he does it like 500 times. So it's like 2 goes and the deodorant's done.
Danielle really hates me for this, guys. Honestly,
Yes.
literally, when she hates me for this.
I made a promise that I was going to get him this deodorant.
Yeah.
So here you go. This is my early Christmas gift to you. 2 packs of deodorant.
Yes, you can use women deodorant. They're saying deodorant, by the way, guys. It just one smells more feminine.
No.
So I was walking around with a feminine deodorant.
Oh my god, and I have to throw away that deodorant now and get another deodorant because you're not supposed
Why? Come contaminated?
to. Yes, you're not supposed to share deodorant.
So what's wrong with that?
No, my arm and your arm are 2 different arms. That's Chad's early Christmas present, that deodorant. Merry Christmas to you.
Daniel, go in, man.
Merry Christmas
Listen,
to you.
nothing's wrong to share deodorant.
No.
Nothing is wrong. Comment down
Do
below.
not share. You're gonna put all your armpit hairs in my deodorant.
If you're a man not using your deodorant, that means there's something wrong, okay? Okay?
That means
that
he
means-
has his own deodorant.
That means he's hiding something from you.
So now we're gonna get something to eat.
You know, today's Friday, guys, and we normally get
Pizza.
Pizza, cause we got like Pizza Fridays, and we actually normally like go buy food on Fridays and Saturdays.
Yeah.
Those are our normal common days, and then we cook for the rest of the week, like
Sometimes.
Sunday,
Comment
Monday,
down below.
Tuesday,
Sometimes
Wednesday,
it's
Thursday,
more
Friday.
expensive to actually cook
Yeah.
than just to buy something on the road.
Because-
if you have a smaller family.
Yeah, and you know what's another thing I was thinking about, guys? It takes a long time to cook, and it takes up the time that we film for you guys as well. So it's like it's not a balanced thing. So we just say we'll cook that here or not cook that here.
Yeah.
Like, and we plan out the video and then do it. So you know.
Sometimes it's like when you buy all the ingredients to make the dish, it's like more than you would just go buy something.
Yeah, and the next thing we're trying to avoid right now, guys, is to stop buying fried food. Like,
I know, it's so hard.
It's getting really bad for
Because
us.
it's like when we go out on the road, it's like we want something quick
Yeah.
And that's always the quickest thing.
Quickest
like
thing,
fried food,
And
McDonald's.
so, don't get me wrong, we always get like Dutch pot and everything there, but it's fried chicken Dutch pot.
yeah,
we
we
get the lunch
always
special.
get Dutch spot.
God, that lunch special be cheap, bro. Man. You know me, is a cheap man. You know me like cheapness.
Comment down below, hashtag cheap god.
Cheap God. Yo, I'm gonna make a shirt called a cheap God. That's
Cheap
me.
god.
That's
He
me
needs
right
one
there.
of those ropes.
Just like
Cheap
this,
god.
guys. Look at this. This is Charmin. This Daniel didn't want to get because of price.
First of all, Chad wanted to get the Walmart brand toilet paper that's going to chafe your bottom when you use it.
Your bottom.
And I had to stop him in his tracks, okay?
I was getting the
That's
green,
something that you
the
don't-
green version, the one that's good for you.
Good for the earth,
Yes,
not good for the
earth.
bottom.
Yeah, it's called sustainable.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
He wanted to get the sustainable toilet paper that's not going to sustain your bottom.
Listen, it's there to just keep your bottom at ease.
You should not, toilet paper that's rough should not be on your bottom, okay?
Alright, we're gonna stop talking about the toilet paper, okay? Today's special that we are gonna get actually, and want you guys to come join us, is actually get some sushi. Because we said we're trying to avoid eating too much fried food.
And
which technically shrimp tempura is fried.
yeah, but I mean, that's not the whole thing.
Yeah.
We only got one shrimp tempura roll.
If you hear dinosaur sounds, that is Chase in the background, guys.
His walker is like his best friend.
Okay, we're gonna show you what you're getting right now, guys.
Yeah. We got a platter, so we're gonna show you guys exactly what we got. And I hope you're hungry, because we are hungry.
And so we're gonna take you guys on the journey right now. We're actually gonna pick up the food and bring it back here. So basically we're not taking on a journey, we're just gonna pick up the food and come back, you know. That's how we normally do it, okay? We're gonna take you over there in 3, 2, 1. This right here is magnificent malnutritious.
What? Malnutritious? Malnutrition?
Malnutritious. As you can see, this looks like heel. This looks like crab cake.
I thought you said heel.
Like shoe heel.
Like shoe heel, right? Shoe heel, that's what it look like. This right here look like some shrimp. This look like tuna. This look like casserole. This look like lobster.
Yeah, I think you're on.
Imitation crab. Pick up your damn self. And we have a little ginger. But this really look like garlic. And this right here look like avocado, but it's not avocado, it's pepper.
It's jalapeno.
It's what?
Jalapeno.
It's what?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno knows what Mr. Chase is eating before us.
Beets, apple.
Beetroot. Chase is having beetroot right now, guys, as you can see. Yeah, and he loves it. Beetroot to them. Duh. This is what you call the jalapeno one right now. This one looks spectacular. This is a vegetarian one. If you eat this, your belly might run you.
Oh my god. Spicy?
Nice.
You don't like the wasabi?
No, you man.
And put a little my soy sauce.
Auntie Linda, do you eat wasabi?
Yes.
Because you know, Drake always said hotter than wasabi.
Oh my
Grateful
god.
for your love.
No, God, please, no, no, no.
Drake.
Guys, if you could see her face reaction. This is a shrimp one right here. Because Danielle's not going to tell you what she's trying. She's just eating.
Guys, I'm so hungry.
We haven't eaten in like 5 days, guys.
That's how it feels.
The shrimp tempura, right?
You try this one?
Yeah, that one's good. We should try it.
This one is the eel. Oh no, I think this is the vegetarian one. This is the one. I don't know. I'm just eating.
Right now, it is spectacular, magnificent, undeniable lies if they tell you nothing's nicer than sushi.
Help him. Help him.
That food
Was delicious.
was deliciosa.
Now it's time to sleep.
Yes, it is. No, not time to sleep for me.
Sleep.
But sleep for her. No time for sleep for me.
We have the itis.
Yeah, the food was concaterous.
Oh
and
my
it was
god.
magnificent.
Stop with the words.
Spectacular. And Chase is on the loosest.
Yes, so we have to hurry, guys, because Chase is on the loose.
But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As we said before, guys, Danielle hates me for
Definitely.
the deodorant.
For using my deodorant, and now I have to replace it. Actually, you're gonna replace it.
Are you listen here? You're gonna just use my deodorant.
I will not use
Just use my deodorant because you don't have no more deodorant. Your deodorant
armpits
out.
shouldn't mix.
Okay, in life you're gonna have armpits that mix, okay?
No, not ours.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. We really appreciate every love and support that we get from you guys. And if you guys want to share this video, go ahead and share this video right now. Smash the like button once more again. And yeah, we are going to do notification shoutout time. First notification shoutout goes to
Odd Boy Games.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right over above Danielle's head top right here. Yeah, bend down a little bit there. Second notification shoutout goes to
Nikolai Mirna.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The third and final notification shoutout goes to
Suzette Bell.
big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough
Love
again.
you.
If you want to be a part of the notification, get a notification smart, go ahead and smash the like button right now. Go ahead and comment down below. Notification chasing, notification deodorant, notification boom bang bang,
Notification Chad needs his own deodorant.
Go ahead and comment down below on those things. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, because that's where you get notification gangs, okay? Okay, and smash the like button on this video one more time. We can't say this enough. Thank you guys so much.
Really?
Really? Alright, love you guys, and we have to run go get Chase right now because he's all over the ground.
He's actually on the Christmas tree
Yeah,
right
he's
now.
pulling on the Christmas tree. By the way, guys, the curtain on the Christmas tree gone now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone. The dog them gone with it. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys another time. Thank you guys for your love and support again, and we will see you mañana.